To find the CyberScout mobile app, start by accessing the App Store on your device. If you have an Android device, open the Google Play Store. And if you have an iOS device, open the Apple App Store. Once you are in the App Store, use the search function to look for CyberScout. Type in the name of the app and select it from the search results. On the apps page, you will see a description of the app, its features, and reviews from other users. Take a moment to read through this information to understand what the app does and how it can help you with identity protection and fraud prevention. If you are satisfied with what you have learned, click the Install or Download button to begin the installation process. Depending on your device and internet connection, this may take a few seconds or a minute. After the app has been installed, find the CyberScout icon on your device and click on it to open the app. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process and start using the app. It is essential to note that the CyberScout mobile app is only available to individuals who have purchased an identity protection plan that includes mobile app access. If you are not sure if you have access to the app, contact your identity protection provider for more information. In conclusion, finding the CyberScout mobile app is straightforward. Simply access the App Store on your device, search for the app, install it, and create an account to start using it. By following these steps, you can take advantage of the app's features and protect yourself from identity theft and fraud.